Welcome to my channel. These are real exam questions for Salesforce Certified Administrator. These are tried and tested. We really need your support and motivation to keep this going. So, please like, share and subscribe. All the very best for your exam. Let's begin our journey. Question 1. Users at CloudKicks are reporting different options when uploading a custom pick list on the opportunity object based on the kind of opportunity. Where should an administrator update the option in the pick list? A. Fields and relationships. B. Related lookup filters. C. Record type. D. Pick list value sets. Correct answer is option C. Question 2. An administrator has been asked to update a flow that was created as part of a recent update. When the administrator opens the flow for editing, the flow toolbox offers only 4 elements: assignment, decision, get, records, and loop. What would cause this? A. The flow is a screen flow. B. The version of the flow is inactive. C. The flow is a before save flow. D. The version of the flow is activated. Correct answer is option C. Question 3. An administrator wants to create a form in Salesforce for users to fill out when they lose a client. Which automation tool supports creating a wizard to accomplish this goal? A. Process Builder. B. Approval Process. C. Outbound Message. D. Flow Builder. Correct answer is option D. Question 4. The client services and customer support teams share the same profile but have different permission sets. The custom object retention related list needs to be restricted to the client services team in the Lightning record page layout. What should the administrator use to fulfill this request? A. Sharing settings. B. Page layout assignment. C. Component visibility. D. Record type assignment. Correct answer is option C. Question 5. The VP of Sales at Universal Containers wants to prevent members of the sales team from changing an opportunity to a date in the past. What should an administrator configure to meet this requirement? A. Assignment rule. B. Validation rule. C. Field level security. D. Approval process. Correct answer is option B. Question 6. Northern Trail Outfitters wants to track ROI for contacts that are key stakeholders for opportunities. The VP of Sales requested that this information be accessible on the opportunity and available for reporting. Which 2 options should the administrator configure to meet these requirements? Choose 2 answers. A. Customize campaign member role. B. Add the campaign member related list to the opportunity page layout. C. Customize campaign role. D. Customize opportunity contact role. E. Add the opportunity contact role related list to the opportunity page layout. Correct answer is option D. Question 7. The administrator at CloudKix has a custom pick list field on lead, which is missing on the contact when leads are converted. Which two items should the administrator do to make sure these values are populated? Choose two answers. A. Create a custom pick list field on contact. B. Update the pick list value with a validation rule. C. Map the pick list field on the lead to the contact. D. Set the pick list field to be required on the lead object. Correct answer is option A. C. Question 8. Universal Containers is trying to improve the user experience when searching for the tight status on a case. The company currently has one support process that is used for all record types on cases. The support process has 10 status values. Service reps say they never need more than 5 depending on what kind of case they are working on. How should the administrator improve on the current implementation? A. Reduce the number of case status values to 5. B. Create a screen flow that shows only the correct values for status and surface the flow in the utility bar of the console. C. Review which status choices are needed for each record type and create support processes for each that is necessary. D. Edit the status choices directly on the record type. Correct answer is option C. Question 9. When a sales rep clicks a button on an opportunity, a simple discount calculator screen should be launched. Which automation tool should an administrator use to build this discount calculator screen? A. Flow Builder. B. Workflow Rule. C. Platform Event. D. Process Builder. Correct answer is option A. Question 10. Northern Trail Outfitters wants to initiate expense reports from Salesforce to the external HR system. This process needs to be reviewed by managers and directors. Which two tools should an administrator configure? Choose two answers. A. Quick Action. B. Outbound Message. C. Approval Process. D. Email Alert Action. Correct answer is option B. C. Question 11. CloudKix is working on a better way to track its product shipments utilizing Salesforce. Which field type should an administrator use to capture coordinates? A. Geolocation. B. Geofence. C. Custom address. D. External lookup. Correct answer is option A. Question 12. What are two considerations an administrator should keep in mind when working with Salesforce objects? Choose two answers. A. Custom and standard objects have standard fields. B. Standard objects are included with Salesforce. C. A new standard object can be created. D. Only standard objects support master detail relationships. Correct answer is option A. Question 13. Users have noticed that when they click on a report in a dashboard to view the report details, the values in the report are different from the values displayed on the dashboard. What are the two reasons this is likely to occur? Choose two answers. A. The report needs to be refreshed. B. The dashboard needs to be refreshed. C. The current user does not have access to the report folder. D. The running dashboard user and viewer have different permissions. Correct answer is option B. D. Question 14. The marketing team wants a new pick list value added to the campaign member status field for the upsell promotional campaign. Which two solutions should the administrator use to modify the pick list field values? Choose two answers. A. Add the campaign member statuses related list to the page layout. B. Edit the pick list values for the campaign status in Object Manager. C. Mass modify the campaign member statuses related list. D. Modify the pick list value on the campaign member statuses related list. Correct answer is option A. Question 15. Ursa's Solar Major is evaluating Salesforce for its service team and would like to know what objects were available out of the box. Which three of the standard objects are available to an administrator considering a support use case? Choose three answers. A. Contract. B. Case. C. Ticket. D. Request. E. Account. Correct answer is option A. Question 16. The administrator at CloudKicks has been asked to replace two old workflow rules that are doing simple field updated when a lead is created to improve processing time. What tool should the administrator use to replace the workflow rules? A. Quick Action Flow. B. Before Save Flow. C. Scheduled Flow. D. Screen Flow. Correct answer is option B. Question 17. Ursa Major Solar uses opportunity to track sales of solar energy products. The company has two separate sales teams that focus on different energy markets. The services team also wants to use opportunity to track installation. All three teams will need to use different fields and stages. How should the administrator configure this requirement? A. Create 3 sales processes. Create 3 record types and 1 page layout. B. Create 1 sales process. Create 3 record types and 3 page layouts. C. Create 3 sales processes. Create 3 record types and 3 page layouts. D. Create 1 sales process. Create 1 record type and 3 page layouts. Correct answer is option C. Question 18. The service manager at Ursa Major Solar wants to let customers know that they have received their cases via email and their websites. Medium priority and high priority cases should receive different email notifications than low priority cases. The administrator has created 3 email templates for this purpose. How should an administrator configure this requirement? A. Include 3 assignment rules that fire when cases are created. Add a filter for case priority. Select the appropriate email template for each rule. B. Add 3 auto-response rules. Configure 1 rule entry criteria for each rule and set a filter for case priority. Select the appropriate email template for each rule entry. C. Configure one workflow rule that fires when cases are created. Add a filter for case priority. Select the appropriate email template for the rule. D. Create one auto-response rule. Configure 3 rule entry criteria and set a filter for case priority. Select the appropriate email template for each rule entry. Correct answer is option D. Question 19. The VP of Sales at Dreamhouse Realty has requested a dashboard to visualize enterprise sales across the different teams. The key place of data is the total of all sales for the year and the progress to the enterprise sales goal. What dashboard component will effectively show this number and the proximity to the total goal as a single value? A. Table. B. Stacked bar. C. Donut. D. Gauge. Correct answer is option D. Question 20. A sales rep has left the company and an administrator has been asked to reassign all their accounts and opportunities to a new sales rep and keep the teams as is. Which tool should an administrator use to accomplish this? A. Data loader. B. Mass transfer tool. C. Data import wizard. D. Dataloader.io. Correct answer is option B. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this effort, please subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up.